Good Monday morning, South Carolina weather watchers, and happy Labor Day to everyone. Hopefully, everyone had a fantastic Sunday yesterday and are about to have a fantastic Monday. I'm your host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Monday and your Labor Day. Now, looking at the radar right now, we do have some shower activity going on in the coastal low country regions right now. Right now, they seem to be going up and just dropping some rain. I don't really see any like activity in terms of thunderstorms. We also can check our lightning meter here, see what is the chance of lightning. Turn that on, and no chance of lightning out near the coastline right now. So probably not dropping any, or probably not doing any type of thunderstorm activity right now. But in terms of just regular radar, here you can see right here, we do have some rain going on all the way up here in Canada, as well as up here in the Pacific Northwest, the Northern Rockies, and some heavy rain going through Texas right now, as well as over here in North Carolina, Virginia, and off the northeastern coast. We do have some rain going on up there, as well as over here off the coast of South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, as well as over here in Florida as well. So not really much. Kind of like that same thing that we kind of saw yesterday. Kind of goes like this, and everywhere like along this line right here going downward has some shower thunderstorm activity. But in the central region, it's just nice. Now we do have some isolated showers like up here in Montana and Wyoming, but it's not really as much compared to outside of the line. Let's go on and check out cloud cover. Cloud cover right now seems to be doing not too well. We do have some cloud cover throughout most of the state, especially in some like the coastal regions, as well as like the PD region, the Low Country, the Midlands, as well as up there in the upstate as well. So we do have some cloud cover pretty much throughout the entire state. Some isolated spots may not have any cloud cover, but like right now, most of the state is dealing with cloud cover. Here's our cloud cover total percentage as you push this forward. You can see the cloud cover will remain as we go through today, even as we get through tonight. Cloud cover will continue, and then as we go into tomorrow morning, or I should say tonight, like late tonight, cloud cover will start to clear up just a tiny little bit, not much. Here's our current temperatures: 82 in Columbia, 79 in Charleston, 82 in Beaufort, 77 in Myrtle Beach, 80 in Georgetown, 79 in Rock Hill, 80 in Greenville, 82 in Anderson, 82 in Columbia, 84 in Augusta, 86 in Barnwell, Fairfax, 84 in Walterboro as well. Here's our high temperatures for Sunday. High temperature around 93 in Columbia, 92 in Moncks Corner, 89 in Charleston, 88 in Myrtle Beach, 89 in Rock Hill, 90 in Spartanburg, 90 inside of Newberry, 89 in Greenville, 91 in Anderson, as well as 92 Sumter, Florence, 92 Moncks Corner, Walterboro, and 87 in Hilton Head Island as well. Here's our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds will actually be calm, but also maybe a bit breezy on some sides. Like in like the southern Midlands, 3 to 5 miles an hour may be all you receive, but like Greenwood, 13 is maybe what you see. Same thing, Myrtle Beach, 13, Charleston, 10, Hilton Head, 10, and then the inland regions are in the single digits, except for this place around Greenwood, as well as in the peak wind gusts as well. You can see gusts potentially of up to 20 to 30 miles an hour near Lawrence today, through the next 12, or actually just less than 12 hours, around 10 hours or so. And maybe even some pretty interesting conditions: 16 at Hilton Head Island, 17 at Charleston, 20 at Myrtle Beach. Pretty calm in the Midlands, but still kind of diverse in terms of when we do have some calm spots, but then we also do have some a bit higher up spots. Here's our forecast precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. Let me go on and update that real quick. For the next 24 or so hours, let me get that. So right here, you can see that it does say pretty much that we only really don't have that much rain, except for portions of the Midlands. And same thing with the Low Country and the PD region as well. Here it is right there. Yeah, so not much for the upstate, like I was saying. Maybe around a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Greenville, hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch possible in Chirag, Camden, maybe Florence and Dillon as well. Tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Aiken, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Barnwell, quarter of an inch to a half an inch in Moncks Corner, Charleston, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Hilton Head Island, quarter of an inch to a half an inch in Walterboro, same thing Myrtle Beach in Georgetown and Kingstree. So it's pretty much some scattered precipitation possible as we move through today. And even as we move into thunderstorm risk, thunderstorm, we do have a chance for some thunderstorms throughout the entire state today. So that's pretty much all that is. And then we also have a chance for some excessive rainfall today as well. It's nearly inside the low country of South Carolina, the PD region of South Carolina, and the southern Midlands of South Carolina has a threat for some excessive rainfall. Really not much, really just a threat for some minor flooding. Nothing that you would really have to be like concerned about. Here is our tropical outlook right here, but we're gonna go on and look at that in just a second. We are going to go and check on the forecast future tracker right here on the ARRR model. So here's the 13Z right here. As you push this forward, again, seems to be like shower and thunderstorm activity continues through the coastline. Maybe some thunderstorms, some showers possible up there in the upstate and the Midlands at around 4, 5, 6 o'clock tonight. And then as we go through to around 11 o'clock p.m., 11 o'clock a.m., 12 o'clock, no, 11 o'clock p.m., 12 o'clock a.m., I said that right. We kind of start to see that thunderstorm activity die down, but still some possible downpours up there near the upstate of South Carolina at around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's pretty much that. Here is our tropical weather outlook. We do have disturbance 1 over here. I'm not really going to read all that, but it's pretty much just a threat for some rain, some heavy rainfall, and some flash flooding is possible across the Texas coastline as you move through the next couple of days. And it's really only a 10% chance this thing right here will not form, but these two over here is what we have to watch for. So disturbance 2, a tropical wave is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms and gusty winds across portions of the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and over the adjacent eastern Caribbean waters. Environmental conditions are forecast to become more conducive for development when the system reaches the western Caribbean Sea and southwestern Gulf of Mexico late this week and over the weekend, and a tropical depression could form during that time. So a 0% chance of forming through the next 48 hours, but a 40% chance of forming through the next 7 days. As you move into disturbance 3 over here, tropical wave just offshore the west coast of Africa is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions are forecast to gradually become more conducive for development, and a tropical depression could form in the next few days. While the disturbance moves slowly west, northwestward, or northwestward over the eastern tropical Atlantic Ocean, the system could produce areas of heavy rainfall and gusty winds across portions of the Cabo Verde Island in a day or two. So, 10% chance of that forming through the next 48 hours, but a 40% chance in the next 7 days. And that's pretty much all that I have in terms for tonight, or for today. So we're still at 207. Again, we're trying to get to 207 to 250 by September 26th. That is our goal, 250 by September 26th. Here's the last look at your live radar. Let's look at down here at the Charleston radar. You can kind of see these showers and downpours still continuing. Also up here near the Myrtle Beach region, some showers going through Bennettville right now. Just a small one. And that's pretty much it in terms for tonight. Or for today. I don't know why I keep on saying tonight, but today. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic rest of your Labor Day. And I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with another forecast. Hey, hey.